Hi guys, we have a very important thing to tell you, and it's not easy for us just to say that. That's why we've been away for like really long. We just need some time.
Our dog, he was promoting blood, he was like sick, and on the 1st of May 2024 he died. Guys, he died. As we've been away for how long, people are actually crying, guys. Like, it's in the past now, and I know it's a few days later, and it's not worth it, but yeah, it's okay, Ken. Stay strong.